Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today I'm going to do a video walk around for you on this beautiful 2017 McLaren 570 GT. Now, for those of you watching that aren't familiar with the McLaren brand, a little bit of history about it. I think most notably, they are known for producing the world famous McLaren F1 back in the 90s, but they had their comeback to the North American market in 2012 with the MP4 12C. Now that car ran up until 2014, I believe, when they introduced the 650S and followed with the 570S, the 570 GT, 720S, 765, all those sort of cars along with their Super Series. But today I'm going to talk about this 570 GT, some of the differences between the GT and the S. We'll talk about the engine that powers it. We'll start it up so you can hear how it sounds. So the McLaren 570 GT is powered by a 3.8 liter twin turbo V8 engine that in stock form produces 562 horsepower and 443 foot-pounds of torque. Already super impressive numbers, but this particular one has actually been modified with a Eurocharge tune, intakes and exhaust, which not only reduced a little bit of weight, but put the power up to 725 horsepower, which is a lot. I think with that, unfortunately on the McLaren, we actually can't open the engine to show you what it looks like, but we can start it up so you can hear how it sounds. But before we get to that, a quick word from our video sponsor, Auto ABC, and their wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, which allows for enhanced in-car entertainment. The AI box system comes with built-in YouTube and Netflix, allowing you to connect to Wi-Fi or hotspots and enjoy videos anytime, anywhere. With 16 gigs of storage space, you can download your favorite applications for free on the Google Play Store and switch freely between CarPlay and Android Auto wireless. It's compatible with all phones, so even if your family has different smartphones, you can still use any of them anytime. This product comes with a 1-year global warranty and lifetime technical support, and right now you can take advantage of this exclusive offer and get 10% discount with the code BOX10% off at the link in the video description. Now, back to the video and this beautiful McLaren. Some other modifications to this car include the gold bronze powder coated wheels, as well as this matte military green wrap, which I think the gold and green go together really, really well. Also just talking about McLaren, you know, I think the best selling feature of this car is just that right here. Gull wing doors. You throw your doors up anywhere you go, you are the center of attention. I don't care if you've got a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or a Porsche with you. These doors really do it for me. Just climbing on board, I think the nice thing about McLaren is these are very driver focused. They're all F1 technology backed, so a lot of the interiors and features are actually designed by previous and current Formula One drivers. So you have a very driver-focused cockpit, just some cool stuff with the paddle shifters. Not the best infotainment system, but I'll say that you're really not buying this car for that. You're buying it for the driving dynamics, the style, the looks, and the performance. So one of the big differences between the 570S and the 570 GT, GT stands for Grand Touring. So what this car is meant to give you is a little bit more of, let's say, daily drivability or road trip ability. So one of the big things that is important for some supercar owners is this addition here of this glass piece that opens, and you actually have quite a large storage area behind, which you do not have on the 570S. And quite frankly, you don't have it on a lot of other supercars in this territory. In addition to that, you also have the full glass roof, as well as a little bit softer suspension setup as opposed to the 570S. So that is our 2017 McLaren 570 GT that we have here for sale at International Motor Cars. If you guys are interested in this car, I'll leave the link in the video description. You guys can check it out. Give any of them a call at the dealership. Super nice, super special car, and you will look good driving it. So give them a call if you're interested in buying it. And with that, these keys could be yours. But in the meantime, if you could do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and helps our channel out grow immensely. And check out some of our other videos up here that I think you'll really enjoy. And with that,